Guys, in today's video, I'm going to talk to those college students and you are looking for a business that you can actually start alongside your education. Maybe you are pursuing a diploma, you are doing a degree or even master's and you have a passion of starting a business before you graduate. In this video, I'm going to mention to you the best business you can actually start and get to belong to the connected economy of the world of business and have that opportunity or have something to do after your graduation. So stay around. That is when I'm going to tell you which is one of the best business you can actually launch and have the benefit of enjoying into the world of business. As I start, my name is Brolin Mchesia. I'm the founder of the Super Champions team. Now, as a student, I understand the things you love to do alongside your schooling. For example, you love to buy yourself new clothes, maybe new shoes, maybe you love traveling, and also love maybe going to the swimming, going out, maybe you love to enjoy other activities alongside your school. But when you look at all those activities, you actually need money and for some of the students, when you look at your pocket money or the money that you are able to generate, maybe from your relatives or maybe from your parents, is not enough to cater for all the things that you love to do. And this is where business comes in as a second priority to give you money to sustain yourself as a student. When you have money, you'll be able to pay your rent on time, you'll be able to buy yourself food, and you'll be able to cater yourself as a student without having to depend on other people. So the question is, what kind of business can you do or what kind of business can you start? Because as a student, maybe your level of income is not guaranteeing you or is not able to give you enough capital money to start a business. Therefore, you need to find an opportunity that will be able to come within your means and able to raise the amount to start a business. So many people will advise different business for you to start, maybe, and most of the business belong to the traditional kind of doing the business, where you find you need a lot of capital, maybe you need rent, you need to pay for license, you need to pay for other utilities like maybe staff, buying the office bills, maybe the raw materials you need. And you find that as a student, for you to have that kind of money or starting kit, it is a lot of money. So you need a business that will be able to allow you as a student to have an opportunity to invest with that kind of business. I'm going to teach you a very wonderful business opportunity that I was introduced to when I was doing my second level in college. This is a business that gave me an opportunity to dream again, have no worries of looking for a job, and I was very optimistic with my future. And the question is, what kind of business is this, or is it business that is suitable for you as a student? The answer is yes. This is network marketing business. This is the kind of business that as a student you can actually start because you only need a capital fee or a starting fee, as compared to other businesses where apart from the starting fee you also need to pay for rent, you also need to pay for license and other utilities that comes before you launch any kind of business. So as a student you don't need much because this business opportunity will give you a chance for you to learn and get to involved in this kind of business without having to spend a lot of time or most of your hours, because you are a student, you're supposed to maybe to do other activities that comes with the schooling. So network marketing business gave me an opportunity to learn and be able to grow my team and grow my business when I was still as a student. So if you are going to allow yourself to be taught on how to do this kind of business, because it is very simple, it doesn't require a lot of skills, it doesn't require a lot of knowledge, you just need to learn on how to operate the business and being able to relate or cooperate with other people. Maybe you're asking yourself, what is network marketing? What is this kind of business? Or how do network marketing companies work? Now, all those questions are the things I teach about this kind of business, because you have to understand which kind of model is this, you have to understand how are you going to work because you are a student, and you also have to understand how are you going to make your money or operate with this kind of business. So when you join this kind of business, I'll be able to teach you everything you need to know about network marketing and the benefits that comes with this kind of business. There is something that I want you to understand. One, that Outside there, we have a lot of opportunities that comes in the form of business, but they are scams. So you have to be very careful, because some of these opportunities you are being promised an overnight results, or you are being told that when you join this company by this time or by this week you're going to be a millionaire, or you're going to be making a lot of money, which is a lie. Any kind of business has that steps that you need to follow for you to succeed. So if you find someone is promising you an overnight results, something that you have never seen, something that has never happened, then probably these people, they are looking for your money to steal or to lie or to scam and get to disappear. So you have to be very careful. What kind of opportunity are you joining, or what kind of business are you starting? So network marketing is not a rich quick scheme business. It's just like in any other business where you have to learn, you have to build it, you have to commit yourself, and you are actually going to achieve that dream or that success. As I finish up, you're asking yourself, why should you join a network marketing company and you have never done it before, or it is something that you have been hearing and you want to know how it works. One, network marketing is going to give you an experience of interacting with other people across the world, because this is a business that you learn different skills, you learn how to communicate, you learn how to present, you learn how to talk to people, because, and remember, you are talking to different people. So if you have that low self-esteem, or maybe you are an introvert and you don't like maybe talking to people, this business will give you that an opportunity to learn to interact with different people and have that confidence of doing business. Another benefit you are going to get when you join a network marketing company is it will give you that financial freedom. If you commit yourself, you give yourself the best, you shoot your shot very well, you are going to succeed in this business. And as a student, you don't have to worry about the future. You actually have something that you are doing, and it is giving you that financial freedom of helping yourself. Maybe you'll be help other people around you, your relatives, your friends, and have that an opportunity to build a very successful business. Network marketing has an opportunity to give you that schedule, or it is able to give you a flexible schedule whereby you become your own boss. Remember, you are a student. There is time for class, there is time to do your assignment, there is time to do the things you love. Maybe there are other things that you're supposed to do when you come being as a student. So it doesn't mean that when you join a network marketing company, it is going to consume much of your time. What you just need is to plan yourself and have that schedule of doing whatever you want to do. And when it comes to network marketing, it doesn't mean that you're going to be working the whole day. No, you just need maybe like 1 or 3 hours given per given day, and you'll be able to learn something new or have to perform a different skill that you have learned. So it doesn't mean that when you join a network marketing company, you're going to be in the business all the time and you are a student. No, you just need to schedule yourself, and you'll have an opportunity to run your class activities and the business. To succeed in this business, there are three things that I'm going to require from you. One, are you teachable? Are you coachable? And are you available? What do I mean by being teachable and being coachable? If you love sports, maybe let's talk about soccer. You're going to notice that every activity of players is being monitored by a coach or someone whom they call as a mentor or a manager. And their responsibility is to make sure that all the players have a certain role they are playing, they are following certain rules. Maybe the coach tells you, here you played well, here you did this, you're supposed to improve on this, and that is a work of a mentor or someone who is training you. Now, when it comes to network marketing company, the person who introduces you, and in this case, it is me, I have the responsibility of showing you around, working with you, coaching you, and telling you, my friend, this is how you're supposed to do it. This is how you're supposed to present. You say this, but this is how you're supposed to do it. Now, if you follow those steps, and that is when you're going to have a guarantee of succeeding in network marketing company. Now, being available, remember you're a student. It doesn't mean that you have joined today and you are it is now like a job where you're supposed to be from there 8 to 9, 8 to maybe 5 in the evening. No. Being available, it means that when we decide that tomorrow or today, let's have a schedule at this time, and we get to agree that you're going to be available from maybe let's say at 5 to 6, and that is when we are going to learn or teach each other something that we are supposed to do. If you get to follow those three, you are available, you are teachable, you are coachable, then you have a guarantee that network marketing is going to be a success story to you. So it doesn't mean that for you to succeed in network marketing, you are joining and money is coming to you. No, that is not how it works. Commit yourself, give yourself the best, work very smart, and you'll have to succeed in this business. Finish up. If you have found something informative in this video, give it a like, subscribe, or if you have a question, maybe there's something you want to know about network marketing, how can you start this business, you can also leave your question in the comment section. Otherwise, if you are ready, you want to join a network marketing company, you are ready with yourself, you want to learn, you want to get yourself improved, maybe on your personal experience skills, I'm going to leave my WhatsApp contact in the description section. Contact me right now and I'm ready to help you to get started, to answer all your questions and help you succeed in network marketing. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.